Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I'm owner of the Fuse HVAC refrigeration, electrical and plumbing company. We're working in the Bay Area since 2016. So I have a lot of things and thoughts regarding what we are doing and how we're doing. And in this video I would like to share what kind of experience you may have if you may hire the handyman who have no license, who have no any kind of insurance, worker compensation insurance, etc. So let's get into it. Okay, imagine a situation. Your AC broke, so air conditioning broke during this heat wave. That is an absolute catastrophe and you are in panic. You call several HVAC services asking for a quote and all of them name you a price what you think should have been lower. You are angry. This is a life or death situation and all these contractors want too much money in your opinion. Then you recall that your neighbor recently told you about a guy he knew what did a small repair in their house. Your neighbor is not sure whatever the guy is licensed, but his prices are really affordable. So you decided to give it a go. The guy names you a truly low price for the repair you need. Finally, you think and agree to the terms. He says you don't have to worry about the license because he's done a ton of jobs like these and everything went perfectly fine. On the scheduled day, he comes to your home, takes out the tools, the ladder and starts working on your AC somewhere. But it is really hot outside and he didn't care about putting his gloves on. So, unfortunate turn of events, his hand slips and he falls from the very top of the ladder. You rush to help to the poor guy and take him to the hospital. The doctors tell you what he will live, but he broke his back. Absolutely horrible. He will need extremely expensive surgery and probably intensive care till the rest of his life. The doctors ask who will pay all the bills and you need to talk to the guy. He says he can't afford the bills because he doesn't have insurance and all of his money goes to his family in another country. Heck! He doesn't even have a registration here. With all things considered, the guy's employer should be the one paying for the medical treatment. However, since the handyman you hired doesn't have a firm he works for, his direct employer is you. That's right. According in California law, when a person hires an unlicensed handyman, they become their employer. You realized what it's probably you who has to pay his bill and the compensation for the back injuries varies from $40,000 to $80,000. So now you have a still broken AC, $1,000 on bills and a responsibility for another person's well-being. Of course, this situation is purely hypothetical. I hope you never encounter something like this in your life, and to minimize the chances to finding yourself in such a horrible scenario, we will recommend you always hiring a licensed professional. Of course, the price might be a little bit higher than the ones of these handymans, but you will have a peace of mind knowing that if anything happens on site during the job, you will bear no responsibility for someone else's negligence of safety rules. Fuse Service is a licensed contractor. We're always happy to help you fix or install equipment, and we have all insurances and permits we need to work. Call us today. Fuse, HVAC, refrigeration, electrical and plumbing services. My pleasure. It was Adam, and I'll see you in the next one.